Hi, I'm Alistair Gordon, Adjunct Professor of Counseling Psychology and Registered Counsellor in British Columbia, Canada. Today, I'll guide you through 3 powerful breathing techniques that can help to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the part of your nervous system responsible for calming your stress response and promoting relaxation. Before we begin, find a quiet, distraction-free environment. Don't practice these techniques while driving, operating machinery, or doing any activity that requires your full attention. The first technique is called 4-7-8 breathing. I'll describe it first and each of the techniques, and then we'll do them together. So, for the 4-7-8 breathing, first breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. And exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Now let's do it together. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 7. And exhale for a count of 8. Good. Pause if you can and repeat the cycle a few times. If you rather continue on with me, you're welcome to do so. The second technique is called the Physiological Sigh. This technique is really good at reducing tension because it mimics your body's natural way of relieving stress, which is a sigh. Here's how to do it. I'll describe it, and then we'll do it together. First, take a normal breath in through your nose, and take a second shorter inhale to fill your lungs as much as you comfortably can. And then slowly exhale through your mouth until your lungs are empty. Let's try it together. Take a normal breath in, then a second breath, and then breathe out slowly through your mouth. As fully as you can, and staying comfortable. Try this several more times so you can really feel the benefits. The third breathing technique is called slow, rhythmic, diaphragmatic breathing. Here's how to do it. I'll describe it first, and then we'll do it together. So, in this technique, you want to slow your breathing down to a pace that's comfortable, usually slower than normal. Breathe in a bit deeper than usual the next time you breathe in. And prolong your exhales each time you breathe out. And breathing out fully as you can comfortably do so, in a way where you can still stay relaxed and comfortable. So let's try this together. And we want to make sure that we're making our breathing rhythmic, and I'll explain why after. So slow your breathing down. Breathe in deeper than usual the next time you breathe in. And the next time you breathe out slowly, prolonging your exhales, just taking your time exhaling, and breathing out fully. Continue doing this, making sure that your breathing's rhythmic, patterned, repetitive, smooth, even. Good. The reason for the rhythmic element is that rhythmicity, when you engage in like rhythmic, patterned, and repetitive breathing, it actually activates one of your first implicit or body memories of safety and regulation, which is the heartbeat of your mother when you're in the womb. This comes from the work of Dr. Bruce Perry, who founded a model called the neurosequential model of therapeutics. And so that would be a great name and a model to Google if you're interested in this more. So this memory of the heartbeat this implicit memory of the heartbeat, imprints at a brainstem level, making things that are rhythmic, for example, rhythmic breathing, a natural way to restore calm. So, for these techniques, don't just use these techniques when you're stressed. Practice them proactively throughout your day. The more that you strengthen your stress regulation circuits, the easier and faster it becomes to shift into a relaxed state. Try these daily and notice the difference in how you feel. Keep up the great work. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more practical tools to support your self-development. Well, have a wonderful day in this wonderful world that we share. Thank you.